Hi everyone, welcome to NKST channel. These days, many people prefer automatic watches for different reasons. Some people prefer it because of the sweeping second hand. Some prefer it because you can just slap them on your wrist and do not need to remember to hand wind your wristwatch to keep it powered. We all love the feeling of knowing it's our own motion that is powering our watch. It gives us a greater feeling of connection with our wristwatch. Some automatic movements come with the hacking function, but some don't. Watch hacking is a feature that stops the watch secondhand completely when pulling out the crown to set the time. Hand winding is the ability to manually power your watch movement by turning the crown, usually clockwise, which tightens the spring and allows your watch to run longer period. In this video, we will be showing you how to set the time, day and date in the safest way. Seiko comes with the different caliber which varies according to the different levels. Entry-level dive watches such as SKX, Stargate come with 7226 basic automatic movement. This movement is not hackable and cannot be hand-worn. Watch hobbyists or modders like to upgrade this movement to NH35 or NH36. You can refer to the video of comparison between NH35 and NH36 in the link below. Check it out. Majority of Seiko dive watches like Turtle, Baby Tuna, Monster, Samurai, etc. They all come with caliber 4R36. Some comes with date function, and some comes only with the date function. Higher grade watches like Sumo, Marine Masters and above, they come with better movement with date function. Screw-down crowns are available in all dive watches, which is the special feature that aids in water resistance. This type of threaded winding crown screws tightly into the case and protects the case from any form of dust and water. The crown has gaskets which create an airtight seal when it is screwed in. While we should always make sure the crown is left in the locked position, it can also be used to set the day, date, time, etc. To change the settings, release the crown by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. The stem will be then extended and you can set the time, date and day. After you unlock it, its crown position is called 0. Then you can pull out one step. It is called position 1. Finally, you pull out the last position which is called 2. At the position 0, when you wind clockwise, it is winding the movement manually, which is powering up your movement. In counterclockwise direction, it is free, it does nothing. At the position 1, clockwise does nothing on no-day watches. It is free, such as Samurai, Marine Master, Sumo. On those watches with the day-date function, clockwise sets the day. Counterclockwise has quick date setting for all the watches. At position 2, it is for time setting. Before we change the date, we should go forward to see whether the midnight is where the date will change. There we go. The most important thing that we have to take note is don't do any quick day or date changing at this point of time. It will completely ruin your movement if you are unlucky. The safest way to do quick day or date change is to give plenty of time to at least 6 o'clock. Then you go to crown position 2 and change the date to a day before the actual date that you want to set. For example, actual date that you want to set is Sunday 30th. To set this, you need to set the day to Saturday and the day to 29. Then you wind the watch to 24 hours and set it to actual time, day and date. For those watches with only date function, you just need to set the date. To do that, make sure you turn the time to 6 o'clock, set the date to a date before actual date. Then wind 24 hours to set actual date and the time that you need. After setting all time, date and day to what you desire, ensure that the stamp is pushed all the way in and turn it in the clockwise direction to lock properly. Hope this video helps you understand the way you should set your time, day and date properly. If you have any question, please put your question in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we see you again in next video.